Redmi Note 8 stuck on Fastboot screen. So if your Redmi Note 8 has been stuck on Fastboot, then what you need to do is the first solution is press and hold the power key for at least 12 seconds when the Redmi device gets stuck on a Fastboot screen. The first reaction will be to power it down, so you press the power key for a few seconds, but it won't respond the thing. So what you need to do is press and hold the power key for at least 12 seconds, about 12 to 13 seconds before the screen turns off, and around 14 seconds before the Redmi text shows there's a sign that the phone will now boot up normally. Most of the similar cases I've encountered have been fixed by this very simple procedure. So if you experience a similar issue, hold the power button, and it will reboot. However, if your device is still not responding after holding the power key for 12 seconds or more, then you should try the next solution. So the second solution is to force restart your Redmi Note 8. If for some reason your phone is still stuck on the Fastboot screen, even after doing the first solution, then it's time for you to do the forced restart. You can press the volume up button and volume down button, and then the power keys at the same time, and then hold them together for at least 12 seconds. This will trigger the phone to power off and turn back up. This will fix your problem. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.